Hi, welcome to my channel. I'm Jolene and I like to share all things beauty, shopping, decor, and more. Today I have something I got in the mail, my Allure Beauty Box. I've actually had this for a couple weeks, but I have been taking care of someone who's been ill and really have kind of put my life on hold. So now I'm back to share this finally. So let's get to it. Okay, friends, I appreciate you being here. I love your support. Thank you for those who are my subscribers. And if you would like to subscribe, give me a like, leave a comment, do those things to support my channel. I would love that. So thank you in advance. So I'm looking into my box. They always give us a pamphlet that tells us what's in here. I'm not as prepared as I like to be. Sometimes I'm a little more prepared for this, but I've been trying to get to share this. Now, the first item I'm going to go to is an item that they let us pick. Now, so Allure Box is, I believe it's $25 a month. You get $5 off your first box. Because I get it, you can get it quarterly, annually, whatever. They have different options. So because I do one of those options, I get it for cheaper. I think my boxes are like 19 something because of that. But anyway, the first item we have is from Christoph Robin, and this is a thing that we sent or that they sent us to choose. And I was so thrilled because this right here, this is the Christoph Robin. It is the, they call it the Broom Hydrating Instant Tea. I don't know what that means. It's a hydrating leave-in mist. And this is actually one of my favorite all-time hair products. After I shower and after my hair is towel dried, I just spray this in my hair and my hair comes out really smooth. It helps prevent flyaways and just like, it just keeps your hair smooth, whatever. All I can say is this is like my favorite product. I love this. So mine am almost out of the one I have now. And this is a product I would pay full price for, but I was so happy to see that it came in the Allure box. So anyway, that's my first item. Yay, yay. I'm happy about that. The rest of the box is just so-so this month. But I'm going to go ahead and show you what the other products are. Let me look here real quick. This Christoph Robin product is the, let's see which one this one is. It tells on here, it's valued at $39. So it's, got a high value. And I've been able to get it, I think Allure has had it on sale before for cheaper. So that's why I've been able to get it for cheaper before. So I would always look for a sale on it. My next product that I'm going to pull out is another full-size product. I believe they gave us like 4 full-size products this month. The box usually has anywhere from 5 to 7 items. And usually at least 3 of them are full size, 2 to 3, and this time I think we have 4. So the next thing I have in here is a Face Reality. This is a Barrier Balance Creamy Cleanser. It's very big. It feels good. I'm going to see if there's a smell to it or if it's sealed. It's sealed. So I'm going to keep the seal on it. I don't want to open it yet. I may not be able to use it for a while. So anyway, there's that. I'm going to tell you what it says about it. This product is valued at $36. So already I've got a $39 and a $36, which makes it $75 in just the first 2 products. For a $20 box, that's a great deal. We've already made our money. So, and we've got 4 more items to go. So this is a cream cleanser. It refreshes complexion, but doesn't leave skin feeling dry, tight, or worse yet, covered in a greasy film. It removes makeup and grime while making skin feel more hydrated and possibly even calmer than it was before. So it's just a daily cleanser. So anyway, that's the second item from Face Reality. The next item we have is a mascara, And this is from Floss, the brand Floss. And it says Rise Above. And it is valued at $22. And they're also offering a 20% off code if you want to buy more from the Floss brand. This inky formula and silicone wand work together perfectly, in this case, to make lashes look dramatically longer, depositing mascara without clumps. And we'd like to see Batman and Robin do that. Okay. So here it is. Now, I don't get super excited about mascaras. I have my favorites, and I have a lot of mascaras. But anyway, it's okay to try. Sometimes you're surprised. Now, it does have a curling wand, kind of the curved, which is another thing that I don't absolutely love. I don't mind the silicone wand, and it probably does lengthen pretty good. I guess I own it now because I just did this. Hello. That's what I do. I just put makeup up on makeup. That's my jam. Okay, so that is the third full-size product. The next product we have here, which is also full-size, this is from Earth Harbor, and it's called Tidal Rose. I'm not a huge fan of rose, at least if it's just rose. I like it. It's okay if it's mixed with other fragrances, but this is a crystal hydration toner, and it's valued at $16. And I'm gonna smell it. And it's pretty rosy. I think there's something else with it, but it's kind of the rose smell that I don't enjoy. But it's a cute little bottle. It's a glass bottle, and it probably is a toner you could take on vacation. I personally like spray toners. Even though I'm not super crazy about the smell, I could live with it. This may end up going in my makeup, my travel bag, because it's just a compact toner. So anyway, there's that. That is our fourth item. The fifth item I have in here is from Belief, and this is the, let's see. This is the Dream Aqua Bomb Moisturizer. So it's moisturizer. It's a small container, but I've used this before. It's just a lightweight, it's just kind of a gel type, or jelly kind of lotion. Has a real clean scent, you know, like it smells like skincare. And so it's not a bad product. I mean, people seem to like it. So there's that, a little moisturizer. And then the last thing I have in here, which is our sixth item, this is this is a ingrown hair bikini patch. It extracts and fades dark spots. So something that's timely for this time of year. So anyway, that's our sixth item. So we've got the moisturizer, the big ingrown hair bikini patch, the toner, and I've got the mascara, the face cream, and then my favorite thing, the Christoph Robin. So anyway, this is 6 items. Definitely the value's there. The value's always there with an Allure box. It still tends to be my favorite box. You get the best value, and Allure always shares good products. They're not always products we know about, or maybe our favorite products every month, but sometimes they do extra good, and usually they're always pretty good. So I would say, you know, I'm happy this right here, my Christoph Robin paid for the box. So, and then I got all these other items. So I can't complain. Love Allure, love it. If you guys are interested, check them out. I have a link in my description box so you can look there. And so that's it for this video. Tell me what you think. Do you like Allure? What do you think of Allure? Is it something that you get or are interested in getting? Let me know. And I will see you guys all in the next one. Okay, friends. We'll see ya. Bye-bye.